In this video, I'm going to show you the scope of web development service on Fiverr. So if you are a person who want to learn web development, this video is for you, because in this video, first of all, we will check the demand of web development service on Fiverr. Then we will check how much client pay for this service. And the last point is competition. So let's begin everything practically. Alright, so first of all, I will search for Fiverr, and here on a search bar I will search the relevant keyword. So as we know better that we can design a website on WordPress and also on Shopify. So first we will come toward the Shopify and then the WordPress. So I can search like Shopify website designer, and here we will have some freelancers. So I will open one by one this freelancer, this one, and let's say this one and this one. So almost 5 to 6 freelancers I have open. Now let's check one by one. So our first point, that is demand, and here from this single point we can check the demand. So 10 orders in queue. What does this point mean? 10 orders in queue mean that this freelancer still has 10 orders. He will create 10 new website. 10 customers or client are working with this freelancer to create a new website on Shopify. If we look to the title, so the title says that create a Shopify store, design or redesign Shopify dropshipping store. It means that he will create website on Shopify. That is the first point, the demand. Now coming toward the second point, that is how much client pay to create a website. So here we have three packages: basic, standard and premium, and maybe the client go with the basic, premium or standard as well. So the basic cost almost 85, and here standard 180 and 308 for premium. So here this freelancer has 10 order in queue. Now coming toward the second freelancer, 38 orders in queue. And if we come to the first freelancer again and check, so he created his Fiverr account in November 2024. So here you can also get the point. Let's say if you're a full beginner, so how much it take to get your first order. Coming toward the second freelancer, she has 38 orders in queue. So now you can see the demand. For basic package, she get almost $90, standard $290 and $490 for premium. So maybe some of the order in these 38 orders might be from premium, standard and mostly from basic. And there is one another offer, there is one another package that is called custom offer. So that might be as well. Coming toward another freelancer, 12 orders in queue. Here we have 4 order, and check the price as well. Now here we have 6 order and we have 7 orders. If we look to the the member since time, that is November 23. Here we have June 2024. So we can see the demand. Then you can research more. I can also, let's search for this keyword, and here on this keyword there are 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 27,000 results. And on our previous keyword, if we look, so there were almost 98,000 result. So that is our last option, our last point. We have to also check the competition, and this is the competition. If you are new, so you have to compete with 98,000 plus people here only for this keyword. So if we look to this keyword here, these are other freelancer who are created the same website on Shopify. So let's check how much they charge and also the demand, etc. So this freelancer also pop up here. You can see, check this freelancer as well, this one. So they are charging a lot, like 275, here this freelancer 325, etc. So I will open one by one. Here she has 21 orders in queue, charging $160, and this is another freelancer and 19 orders in queue, 155. And like this type, you can research on this service a lot using Fiverr. Okay, so 16 order in queue, charging 85. And if we look, so this freelancer is from Pakistan, and he opened his account on May 2024. So there is a high demand, if you want to create website on Shopify, and around from 80 to 150 or 200 you can charge for your service, and the competition is high, almost more than 1 lakh on a single keyword. So that was all about for Shopify. Now let's come to word for WordPress. So here I have to search word. First of all, I will search for Fiverr, and here on a search bar I will write WordPress website design. And if you want to have more information like what's included in this service, so you can watch videos on YouTube and also look to their gigs. Like let's say this is a woman who is building website on Shopify, so you can look to the description. What will she offer? Like create a website from scratch, and also adding products, etc. You can see 50 products, and each and everything, logos, etc. So you can get idea from their gigs. Now coming toward the website, WordPress website design. So here we have freelancers. I will open one by one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So let's open some of them. And now here we can see 3 orders in queue, charging 72, and here we have 29 orders in queue, charging 90. And this one freelancer, 0 order in queue, maybe he is new, May 2025, yes, he is new. So now let's come toward this freelancer, and he has 37 order in queue, charging 135. So this is how you can see that there are still potential for this skill. If you learn this skill properly, so there is competition, but still we saw that there were people who recently created their account, and it's not easy like you get your first order. It's tough, but still it has demand, still people need website. So that was all about the demand and the scope of web development service on Fiverr. So thanks for watching.